Good morning, class. Welcome to the online classes. This is Mrs. Mukherjee. We were dealing with the topic exponents. Now we move on to the next exercise, exercise 2b. Before we start with the exercise, there are certain things that we should be clear about, which I am going to explain you today. First is, if two numbers a and b are multiplied and it is whole to the power an exponent, which is say n, which actually means you are individually multiplying the two number with the exponent. So a into b whole to the power n gives you a to the power n into b to the power n. I have taken an example of 3 to the power 4 into 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 2. So whenever like this we apply the power law, that is we will multiply these two exponents individually. So it is 3 to the power 4 into 2 is 8 and 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Same way, if it is division, a upon b whole to the power n, it is written as a to the power n upon b to the power n. So if 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 2 is taken whole to the power 2 is also written as 2 to the power 6 upon 3 to the power 4. Why? 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Another example is a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. If a is not equal to 0, it means any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So if it is 5 to the power 0, it is equal to 1. It is minus of 9 to the power 0, then it will be equal to minus 1 because this minus sign is outside the bracket. Same if you take minus 2 whole raised to the power 0, this will be 1 because this entire number is raised to the power 0. Any number with a negative exponent is written as its reciprocal. This we have dealt earlier as well. And if the number is written as 1 upon a to the power minus m, it is also written as a to the power the positive exponent. If it is a positive exponent, it becomes a negative exponent. For example, 2 to the power minus 3 is written as 1 upon 2 to the power 3. Another example, 1 upon 3 to the power minus 7 can be written as 3 to the power 7. Now this is nth root of a. Nth root of a is always written as a 1 upon n. So whatever is the root here, suppose if it is root 2, you can write it as 2 1 upon 2. If it is cube root of 2, it is written as 2 1 upon 3. If it is fifth root of 3, it is written as 3 1 upon 5. So whatever root is, the number is raised to the power 1 upon that number. So these are the few concepts that we should know before we start with the exercise 2b. Now let's move to exercise 2b. Exercise 2b, the first question says compute. Whenever it says compute, you have to find the final answer. You cannot leave the answer in the exponential form. 1 raised to the power 8, this is your question which is written. Now I'll solve one by one. 1 raised to the power 8, it should give you 1 because you are multiplying 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 8 times. Multiplication sign. 3 raised to the power 0. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. Multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25 into 5 is 125. 2 raised to the power 2, which is 2 into 2, which is 4. Now we will multiply only 125 into 4. So 125 into 4 is 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 0, 600. Let's check again. 4 5s are 20, 0, carry forward 2, 4 2s are 8, plus 2 10, 0, carry forward 1, 4 ones are 4 and 1, 5. It's coming as 5. So there I did a mistake in multiplication. So the correct answer is 500. Okay. Now I will do the third part. 2 raised to the power minus 9 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 11 whole to the power 3. So first I open the bracket. 2 raised to the power minus 9 into 3 is 2 raised to the power minus 9 3s are 27 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 11 into 3 is 2 raised to the power minus 33. Now it is division with the same base, so it means we subtract the exponent. So how do we write it? 2 to the power minus 27 minus 33. So this becomes 2 to the power minus 27 plus 33. Now 2 to the power minus 27 plus 33, so we solve it. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 is 64 because you are multiplying 2 6 times. The next sum is 56 upon 28 to the power 0 divided by 2 by 5 to the power 3 and 16 upon 25. Now any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 1 divided by 2 upon 3 whole to the power 3 multiplied by 16 upon 25. Now there is a division sign, so we make it multiplication. So it is 1, or I'll write it 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 16 upon 25. I'll do it here. 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power 3, because division is getting converted to multiplication, multiplied by 16 upon 25. Now let's solve this. It is 1 into 3 to the power 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 multiplied by 16 upon 8 upon 25. So 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16. Upon 25 is the answer. Let's check the question again. Question number 5. Here we go. Here I have done this as mistake. It was 5 to the power 3. So your answer will change. I will use another pen so that it's clear. So it is 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3, I will write it as 25 into 5. So this 25 and 25 gets cancelled. So 5 into 2 is 10. Boys, be careful. Don't do these silly mistakes like it's a just copying error which is becoming very common. 2 upon 5. It was not 2 upon 3. So your answer is 10. Now we move on to the next sum. Question number 9. 9 raised to the power 0 into 4 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4. Nine raised to the power 0 is 1, because any number raised to the power 0 is 1. multiplied by 1 upon 4 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 4. You can write it as 2 to the power 4. So it is 1 into 1 by 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. This you can open. 1 into 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So this gets cancelled. So your answer is 4. The 13th part, 125 raised to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 8 raised to the power 2 by 3. Now how do we solve this? 125, how can we write? We can write it as 5 to the power 3 because 5 is a 25 into 5 is 125 whole to the power minus 2 by 3 divided by 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3. Now when you apply the power law, you have to multiply 3 into minus 2 by 3. So this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Here also this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So what is left here is 5 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 2 raised to the power 2. 5 raised to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 upon 5 square. This division sign gets converted to multiplication sign. So it will become 1 upon 2 to the power 2 to the power 2. So 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4 is 100. So the answer is 1 upon 100. So what all the calculations I did? First, because 125 raised to the power minus 2 by 3, you cannot expand, you cannot do anything with that. So you have to write it in that exponential form where this denominator gets cancelled. So the numbers will be given in that way so that it can be written or reduced in the form so that the exponent's denominator and this number's denominator comes out to be same or divisible, so that this denominator gets removed. So it is 5 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. First step is we make it convert into that. Cancel. Let's move on to question number 15 now. Minus 3 raised to the power 4. This can also be written as 3 raised to the power 4 because it is even number, so the negative sign we can also write it as positive. Minus 4th root of 3 raised to the power 0. So any number raised to the power 0 is 1 multiplied by minus 2 raised to the power 5. So for the time being I write it as minus 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 64 raised to the power 2 by 3. So 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 by 3 because 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64. Now this 3 and 3 gets cancelled. So it is 3 to the power 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 5 divided by 4 to the power 2. Now if you apply BODMAS, first what we have to do is division. So 3 to the power 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 5. Division sign gets converted to multiplication. 1 upon 4 to the power 2. Now this again can be written as, I will expand it, I am putting it in one bracket so that easy for you to understand. Minus 2 I will write 5 times to show you the cancellation. You can do it directly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times, and 4 I am writing 2 times. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this 4 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, this 4 gets cancelled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negatives. It means your answer will be in negative. So 3 to the power 4 minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Then we do multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus into minus plus. 3 to the power 4 is 81. 81 plus 2. So your answer is 83. So here what we have done, we have applied the laws of exponent as well as BODMAS. So this is your answer. That's all for today, boys. The homework that you have to do is question number 1. All the remaining questions that is not done in this video. So all the questions that I haven't done, you have to do as homework. Remaining questions of question number 1. Thank you.